Hi, this is Ivy and welcome to Scorewithme. Today we are here to find an interesting trick on how to find the cube root of few numbers. In the previous video we had seen how to find the square root of numbers. Today we'll look into how to find the cube root of numbers, and that too in just few seconds. So come, let's get started. To begin with, let us first understand the pattern that numbers and their cubes have. I have written here numbers from 1 to 10 and their corresponding cubes. We must be remembering when we found the square root of the number in my previous video, we had to know the squares of numbers 1 to 10, and there what was the case? We had two numbers having the same units place in their squares. Let me explain. We have 1 square ending in 1. 1 square is 1. Similarly, we also have 9 square that ends in 1. So if we have any number that ends in 1, there are two chances. One is that number can have 1 in its square root, or that number can have 9 in its square root. Let us take another example. If we take 4 square is 16, and we have one more number which gives us 6 in units place, that is 6. So if we have any number ending in 6, its square root can either have 4 or 6. Hence we need to consider two cases. In cube, if you analyze this pattern, every number has a cube and no two digits are having the same units place. If we see 1, 1's cube is 1. No other number has got 1 in its unit place. In square, we had got two numbers having 1 in its units place. So what is the difference here? Finding the cube root will just take half the time that we take for finding square roots, because here we had got two options. But in cube root, since no number have got repeated units place, the work that we need to do decreases by exact half. So that is the reason why finding the cube root is much easier and takes just half the time when compared to finding a square root of a number. Now see here, 2 cube is 8. No other number has got 8 in its units place. Hence, if we have 8 in the cube of any number, we can say in just a second that it will have 2 in its units place. Cube root will have 2 in its units place. Now let's understand this better with examples. Now, any number which has 4-digit or 5-digit or 6-digit will give us 2-digit number. Cube root of any number having 4-digit, 5-digit or 6-digit will give us a 2-digit number. Cube root will be just 2 digits. Now let's start with examples. So first number is 13824. Here we are finding cube root. So for finding cube root, we group the numbers as 3. In finding square root, you would be remembering we grouped from the right end with two numbers, with two digits. Here, since it is cube root, we will be grouping 3 digits from the right end towards the left. So we are grouping 824. We have 13824. So 1 3 here, 824. Now just as we did in square root, what should we do? We just need to consider the units place of the first group. Here we have 4. So if a number has 4 in its cube, then its cube root will be ending in 4 in its cube, then its cube root will be ending in 4. So directly you can come with the answer, your units place will be 4. That's it. Next, coming here, 13824. Here we have got 13. We must be remembering, what should we do? We should see which number has got the nearest cube as 13. So 13 comes between 8 and 27. 13 lies between 8 and 27. We are going to take the smaller number. So cube root, the smaller number. So 2 will come in its tens place. So 24 is our answer. See how easy it is? Now getting into the second question. Here again we are going to divide this as 3 and 3. So here 0, 3, 9 form the first set, and next 4, 9, 3 is the second set. We are going to consider the units place alone. 9. If a number has got 9 in its ones place, the cube has got 9 in its one place, what will be the cube root? 9 in its one place. So 9 in ones place. So cube root must be 9. So in the cube root, the ones place or the units digit is going to be 9. Now we need to find the tens place. We have the second part. For the first part, seeing the unit digit is enough. Rest 2 digits we can omit. They do not have any significance in finding the cube root. Only the units digit matters. Getting into the second group, 493. What we do with this? We find the nearest cube that 493 can give us. 493's nearest cube. Let us see here. 493 is greater than 343 but lesser than 512. So that its range lies here. We always take the smaller number. So 493 lies in the range between 7 cube and 8 cube. We take the smaller number. So hence 7 will come in the tens place. So this is the cube root of 493,039 and the cube root of 13824 is 24. Next, let us take another example, and here we have 238328. As we told in the previous part, we are going to divide it as 3 numbers cube root. So we are dividing as our grouping as 3. So 3 starting from right towards left. And 6-digit number also will give us 2-digit number as its cube root. Remember that 4-digit, 5-digit and 6-digit numbers will give us 2-digit number as its cube root. So finding here, we just need the number or the digit in the units place. That is sufficient. So 8, you see which cube has got 8? 2 cube is 8. So in the units place, we will have 2. Now coming here, 238. Omit the next 2 digits, leave it and come to the next group. 238. We need to see which cube is nearest to 238. So 238 is greater than 216 but lesser than 7. It lies here. So this lesser number or the smaller number is normally taken. So 6 will come in its tens place. So the cube root of 238328, its cube root is 62. Coming here for the next set of numbers, here again we have got 4-digit numbers. So 4-digit number also will give us a 2-digit cube root. Now grouping from right, we have 832, 3-digit numbers, and after this we have just a single digit, no matter how much we have, but this has to be taken as a 3-digit group. Now consider just the unit place, that is sufficient. 2. Which number gives us cube as 2? So that is here 8. 8 cube is 512. So 2 comes in 8's cube. So our units place will have 8. Next 5. 5. Which number has got the nearest cube as 5? It will come here. That is, it is after 1 cube but before 2 cube. So the lower number or the smaller number is taken. Hence its tens place will be 18. Therefore the cube root of 5832 is 18. Hope you had got an idea on how to find the cube root of any number quickly within seconds. Now I have given here 3 questions that is for you to practice upon. Please do answer these in the comment section. If you have any suggestions for my next video, please do give that also in the comment section. So keep preparing, keep working, success is always yours. Hope to see you soon in the next video with yet another trick. Until then, take care. Bye.